PAC's Alcor jet fuel thermal oxidation testing instrument is the undisputed industry leader. Since 1972, we've manufactured the JFTOT analyzer. In the past 40 years, you've seen the JFTOT develop from an instrument that met Air Force requirements to an ultra-enhanced, state-of-the-art innovation that features complete data integrity and top-of-the-line safety enhancements packaged in a small, easy-to-use analyzer that practically runs itself. 6 generations of JFTOTs have led us to the jet fuel thermal oxidation tester of today, the JFTOT 230 Mark IV. The JFTOT 4 takes jet fuel thermal oxidation testing to a new level of superior performance. Enhanced safety features make it safer to operate. Simplified operational capabilities make it easier to use. Smaller, streamlined packaging means it takes up less space in your lab. Automatic operation significantly increases operator productivity. On top of enhanced safety, simplified operation, and ease of use, the JFTOT 4 strictly follows ASTM D3241, IP323, and ISO 6249. The JFTOT 4 is safer to operate than any other jet fuel thermal oxidation testing instrument on the market. We've designed the sample and waste containers to minimize jet fuel vapor exposure to operators and to the environment, and we've added a special coating to the jars so they don't shatter if dropped or damaged. The sliding test area door prevents exposure to the hot test section. Tests won't start until the door is closed, and the risk of jet fuel exposure is further reduced when the JFTOT 4 automatically flushes fuel out of the test section lines at the end of the test. This keeps the test area and the front of the instrument dry. In the past, jet fuel analysis was a time-consuming process that required the user to manually perform several key steps. The JFTOT 4 automates many of these steps, making it easy to use. The JFTOT 4 is so easy that you'll need almost no training, even for technicians with limited analytical and instrumentation experience. One of the most valuable features of the JFTOT 4 is the amount of necessary sample prep time that we've eliminated. We use swivel screws in place of hex head socket screws, so you no longer need a special socket driver. The sample and waste container quick connects to the unit, and previously time-intensive manual activities are now automated, like priming the pump, measuring the sample flow at the beginning and end of analysis, and aerating the sample. And once you've prepped the sample, you just need to press Run to start the test. The JFTOT 4 significantly frees up an operator's time by as much as 80%. With the new JFTOT 4, the operator only spends about 10 minutes preparing and starting a test, which is a tremendous improvement over the approximate 50 minutes of total time required by other instruments. Saving approximately 40 minutes with each test means that your operators are free to perform their other job duties. If you run 3 tests every day, this time savings translates into a savings of 2 hours each day, or 14 hours each week, or 91 workdays each year. This means the JFTOT 4 can increase lab productivity by as much as 25%. The JFTOT 4 was designed to meet your toughest challenges. It's safer to use and easier to operate, and it increases the productivity in your lab while reducing your overall cost to operate. There is no other jet fuel thermal oxidation tester that's safer, easier to use, or more efficient to operate. To get more information about the JFTOT 4 or contact one of our experts, go to www.paclp.com.